coming to you with a Dollar Tree Christmas haul, y'all. So let me start off with my thumbnail before I forget. Happy holidays. So yeah, y'all, I went to Dollar Tree and I went to Dollar Tree. And
Hi.
Say good morning. Get that off your face.
Hi.
Get it off your face. Say good morning. This is Rakeem. Say hi, good morning. So you're gonna sit here with me while I show the goodies that I bought from Dollar Tree? Okay. So I got these stockings. These will be mommy and daddy stockings, y'all. And I got some fun little stockings for the kids. I just thought this was so cute that they have these stockings with the traceable letters, and you see the little glitter glue thing on them, just for a good little activity for them to do, y'all. Write their name or whatever, you know, make it fun. So I got 4 of them. I know it's gonna be messy, and we'll be doing this out on the porch. So yeah, got that. Got some more foamies, because yes, I will be doing a DIY project. I did a DIY project for my Thanksgiving little decor. I'm not a pro, but I'm, you know. And y'all, I love these little lights, the 20 lights, mini clear lights. Yes. So I got 2 of those. I got the little hooks. This was the last one left. I tried to find some more, but I do have some like extra laying around the house, but I just picked these up. Some hooks. I think I have 2 of the little light up candles. So I'm gonna try to make a little centerpiece. Thank the Lord they had some more glue sticks. So I got 2 glue sticks, y'all. The little glue sticks. We try to keep this organized because I'm not trying to do it, the creation right now, but I want to do it before it gets too late. I picked up 2 whiteboards because I'm gonna do something to make a creation. Y'all will see. I'll show y'all at the end. I brought this. I like the glittery stuff, but it just get everywhere. So I brought this. I'm gonna make a creation with this. I've been looking on my YouTube DIY Christmas projects. This is just so cute, you guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Kimmy, close the door. All the way. Now, y'all, I know I could have went to Michael's, but I was being lazy. So I just brought these from Dollar Tree. And I had coupons. Now, you know that was lazy. So I'm just going to make a little centerpiece. I got this one. This one. This one. Another one of these. You know, you got to throw it off with a little white. So, got that. Yes, honey bun. Hey. You better put my mitten down, Kenny. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Okay. And y'all, I was so surprised they had these in there. These are the Garland. You see that? What does it say? 15 feet? Yeah, y'all know I'm going to make a creation. So I picked up 2 of those. I have 2 of these. I already have enough of these on the Christmas tree. So, yeah. I'm going to make a creation with that. And I have 2 of the silver ones. 2 of the silver ones. You want to say good morning, Rachel, since you're looking at the camera? You want to come over here and say good morning? Or are you being shy? You got ice? Okay, and one more bag, you guys. Had to get some hand soap for the house for the little kiddos to wash their hands. Got me some. I was surprised they had this type of shaving cream in there. The Pure Silk. What kind did I get? The Raspberry Mist. Here goes the other candle. My son bent my other potato pillar, so I got another potato pillar. And y'all, I just love these tea tree oils. I was surprised they had this up in there. Like I said in my other videos, they are really stepping up their beauty products for women of color in Dollar Tree. So I think I have 4 of these. 4 of these, you guys. Rachel, please don't keep that down. Okay, y'all, that is it for my Dollar Tree haul, you guys. Make sure to thumb up this video. And if you want to see more videos, just join the family, y'all. And I'm trying to do the Vlogmas. Go check out my first, Rachel, really? Go check out my first Vlogmas video. Stop, Kimmy. Go check out my first Vlogmas video. And you guys have a good day. Remember to enjoy every ounce of life, good, bad, and the ugly, okay? Bye, you guys. See you on the next video. They can't see you, Rachel. Come over here. They can't see you.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye. Okay, let me get up and turn this video off. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.